Hey guys, so I've been an educator for almost 14 years now, and the iPad Pro has really been one of my greatest tools for teaching in the classroom. Some apps that come to mind that really complement the whole setup would be Explain Everything Basics, the Files app, Kahoot, and even how the Explain Everything app is really just connected to YouTube to make my uploading of videos really seamless. So if you'd like to know more about that, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Maybe I could do a video on that. But this is really my second iPad Pro, a lovely gift from my wife, and I was really excited to unbox it and to give it a go. So one of the things I noticed about this new iPad Pro was the camera. But to be honest, as an educator, the quality of the pictures you really take with the iPad doesn't really make much of a difference, I would say. Right? I think this is subjective, but to me actually the camera was just a good to have. I guess in terms of accessories, it's pretty much the same. You get your charging adapter and a USB-C cable. Yep, so with everything in order, it's the usual startup, a very familiar look, familiar feeling. The iPad feels great in hand. In terms of the accessory of the cover, I bought the smart keyboard folio. To be honest, it's my second time buying this. When I got my first iPad, I did have this for a while, but the connection at the back, the magnetic connection at the back wasn't the greatest in my first try with it. And what happened is that after a while the connection wasn't good and I couldn't really use it to its fullest potential. I decided to give it a second try, right? Perhaps with this newer model, with me taking better care of it, it might work out well with this. I guess in maybe half a year's time, I could share with you the condition of it, how it's working, and whether it still suits my needs, or if I really had to change to another iPad cover. Yep, so taking out the smart keyboard folio out from the casing, I think it's pretty straightforward. Just attach it to the back of the iPad magnetically. Nothing has changed. It's exactly the same. I was just fiddling around with what accessories there was coming with this keyboard folio. Yep. Nothing much, to be honest. So very simple, straightforward. So just slide it on, or rather magnetically attach it to the back. Nothing fancy, straightforward, as many Apple products are. So that's it, yeah. So with that, I've come to the end of this unboxing, right? If I could, I would share more on my journey with using this new iPad Pro. See you guys.